Sutang?
Huh?
Sutang?
Sultang?
Yeah, my first name Sutang.
Sultang.
Yeah.
Sultang.
Last name is Hun.
Sultang. Ay, Sultang.
NANI?!
We're going to here?
Sampaloc.
Palok.
Yeah.
Yeah, 그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다.
Huh? What's your name? What's your name?
Mr. Hun.
Mr. Wu. You're from Korea?
Yeah, Korea. Yeah, 한국 사람이에요. Korea.
How long you been here in the Philippines?
3 years here?
3 years?
Yeah.
You have wife Filipina?
No. No.
Single.
Looking.
For.
Yeah.
This one is available. My niece. They're looking for.
Oh.
You have the right.
I don't have girlfriend.
You don't have girlfriend?
Yeah, but I have a wife.
Oh, in the Korea.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
In Korea. I'm planning to build a business here.
A business.
What kind of business here? Trend. This 2025.
Here?
Yeah.
What business trend here daw? Mostly clothes.
Clothes?
What kind of a business do you want?
Pogo.
Pogo?
Yeah. Pogo.
Coco.
Pogo.
Pogo.
Yeah, you know Pogo?
What's that? Is that a gambling? What is that?
Pogo. Yeah, what gambling?
Like casino?
No. Pogo.
Pugo. Sabi sa'yo eh. Pugo.
Yeah,
Sabi sa'yo.
Pogo.
Oh, so you like that one?
Yeah, because I have a friend in Pampanga. Farm. Pogo.
They have a farm.
Yeah.
So your 3 years you've been doing this one?
No, 1 year.
Only 1 year. So you look
This is your own?
This is your own?
Yeah.
You're familiar already here?
I'm just following the ways.
The ways.
Yeah. The ways, only follow the ways.
Where did you live here?
Wait.
Where did you
Actually,
live here?
I'm originally from North. Yeah. You know North? North.
North what?
Do you know North?
North?
North, where are you? North here? North.
North Purview.
North Purview? Oh.
But before in Seoul.
Where?
Seoul.
Seoul.
You know Seoul?
Oh, in the Korea.
No,
Oh, here.
Sultan Kudara.
Sultan Kudara. Sultan Kudara.
Yeah, before
Kid.
before living there.
Oh.
Yeah, Sultan Kudara in Mindanao.
Mindanao? So far.
그런데 Erema, what is your name? What is your name?
I'm Lori.
Yeah, and
Arlene.
Arlene and
Nicole.
Nicole. Yeah, yeah, 반갑습니다.
Yeah.
반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Wu.
Oh, that's my last name.
Oh, last year.
Kasi sa
So I remember that name.
I will remember you.
Yeah, Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Woon.
Last name.
Last
My first name is Sutang.
Shutang.
Yeah,
Sultan Woon.
yeah, Sutang.
Woon.
Yeah. That's my full
You
name.
don't have plan to go back to your country.
I'm enjoying here.
Oh
I
yeah.
enjoy.
Oh,
Filipino
that's good.
are
Are very,
Good.
mabait. Yeah.
Ah.
Mabait tao people here.
Wow, you know how to speak Tagalog a little bit?
Kunti lang.
Kunti lang.
Yeah. Yeah, can you try to teach me Tagalog?
Okay, what do you want to?
Any basic Tagalog?
Anything? You want
Any
anything?
basic
Basic,
Tagalog? Yeah.
Basic Tagalog.
You know maganda?
Maganda. Yeah, beautiful. Oh yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. And I know salamat po.
Salamat.
Salamat po.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, in Korea, yeah, 감사합니다.
Kamsamsa.
Yeah, 감사합니다. Yeah.
Kamsamsan. Salamat.
Yeah, what else? What
Basic.
else?
What else
Tagalog.
now? What
Tagalog.
else?
Tagalog. Saan ka nakatira, you know? Saan ka nakatira?
Very long. It's hard to.
Oh, it's only a
Slowly.
little bit.
Yeah, slowly.
Okay.
Slowly.
Okay. Slowly.
Yeah, slowly.
Saan ka nakatira?
Sang.
Saan
Sang.
ka nakatira?
Katira. What is that? What is that?
Where do you live?
Where do you live? How about where you going in Tagalog?
Saan ka pupunta?
Saan
Saang ka
pupunta?
to the moon.
Pupunta.
Inaabangan ako na mawala, kaso lang ang malala, magat ating ala.
I have a friend, a Filipino friend, always joking like that. Yeah. Yeah, if he saan punta, I said to the
Saan ka
moon.
punta? Ah, to the moon. All Filipinos said that.
Oh yeah. I think it's
So
it's
you
like
know,
a joke.
so you know that already. Where if somebody asking you where do you go?
Yeah.
To the moon. To the moon. You said to the moon.
To the moon.
Why do you choose Pugo? Why do you choose Pugo?
My Korean friend, there's a farm there in
Oh, so
Pampanga.
you want that one?
Your friend is also a Korean.
Yeah, Korean friend.
Korea?
Business here.
May business niya sa Pampanga. Okay. Tapos gusto mag-business dito ng ganung.
Ganun.
Oo. Gagamitin yung
Really.
You know, this is our first time to the driver is Korean.
Oh, first time?
Yeah.
So what do you feel?
It's nice.
Happy?
See? Yeah. So
I'm happy too.
very excited.
I'm happy talking to you. Yeah, I'm very happy talking to you.
Very amazing.
How about here?
It's my daughter.
Oh, yeah, very silent.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is my daughter. You're silent daw. You're talking naman
yeah,
with ano.
yeah, silent. Yeah.
Mr. Wood.
They're
Mr.
busy
Wood.
in cellphone. eh.
Busy with her
Yeah,
cell phone.
Sutang.
Huh?
Sutang.
Sultang?
Yeah, my first name Sutang.
Sultang.
Yeah.
Sultang.
Last name is Hoon.
Sultang Wood. Ay, Sultang Wood.
Parang it sounds
familiar.
It sounds so tanghun.
What is that? What
The
is that?
soup.
The soup.
Food here in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Sultang
I
Wood. here in the Philippines.
Yeah, I don't know.
Sutang. It's called Sotanghon.
Oh, really?
But you so your name is
Sutanghon.
Yeah.
Sutanghon.
Here? Yeah, Hun. But in Korea, Hun Sutang.
Sutang.
But here,
Sutang.
Wood Sutang. Kakagutom.
oh, turn right here.
Yeah,
turn right.
yeah. Turn right.
And then,
And then
Turn left.
turn left.
the next
Right
street,
and left.
you left.
You turn
Turn,
That is a sign of Cebu Street.
Cebu Street. Yeah,
Yeah.
Cebu Street.
Yes.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
A lot of
You left there.
tricycle.
But
There's a
you
lot of people
can
there.
A lot of people here.
Yeah.
many,
So dami.
so many people.
Madami.
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 Marami.
Marami. See, you know
Yeah.
na. Wow.
Maraming tao dito.
Wow.
Yeah. Very good.
Very good, ah.
Saan ba tayo? Doon pa sa unahan? Saan ba tayo? Doon pa sa unahan?
Oh,
Oy!
There.
Siya yung vlogger! Ay!
yun ano ah?
Talaga, vlogger! Kami, ah.
Kuya. Pwede ano? Picture me.
Pa-English
English pa.
Siya yung
Tagalog
vlogger
tayo.
na alala ko. Kaya pala di nagsasalita sa lumayan. Nakakainis, ah.
Nakakainis ka.
Naloko mo kami. Sa Facebook ko nakikita.
Kaya pala hindi ko kikibuit
Vlogger pala si Kuya. Say hi to the vlog.
So,
Hi!
okay lang isama ko sa content ko, no?
Oo,
Okay lang.
ano, sige.
Okay.
Picture with you.
Saan banda tayo?
Yan,
There,
diretso,
diretso pa.
diretso. Yeah.
Nakakas kayo, no? It's a free ride.
Wow!
Thank you!
You're welcome
Thank you
po.
po.
Ayun, baka may shoutout po. Yan, shoutout mo.
Hello, shoutout. Uwi na ako ng Amerika.
There's America my sister.
Ay, talaga? Ayan,
Nagbalik
shoutout.
bayan siya.
Bayan.
Ayan,
Pero
panoorin
hindi
yung
na
mga
siya-
video ko, no? Ito pala ako.
Wait na lang po sa ano. Kanya ako isa. Para
Mag-iisa na lang to, sige po.
Isa na lang.
Eh, ba't di mo naman sinasabing kilala mo yan?
Ay, para ma-prank kayo. Okay na po.
Yeah.
Dali na, Ray.
It's a prank. Ginababa natin yung camera.
Tinbagpakan.
Yeah, dyan na lang. Thank you.
May chance talaga ma-prank kapag hindi estudyante. Pero yung sa katabi ko, estudyante yon, so kilala niya ako. So yung syempre yung dalawang mami, hindi nila, wala sila idea kasi hindi sila estudyante. So pwedeng ganun na lang ang hanapin nating biktima para maging tuloy-tuloy ang saya. Favorites na naman sila.
Papanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang, no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, walang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang, no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi, kamsahamnida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang ng wonder. Anyang maseo, kamsahamnida. Ang bati niya sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka.